Om Swastiastu, hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today my special cooking class guests come from Denmark. Together we prepare Bumbu Genep, Babi Kecap, Sate Ayam, Siap Acar Timun, Jukut Urab, and Dadar Gulung as a dessert. Thank you so much for coming. Hope we will cook together again soon. Matur Suksma! Come and join with me on your next visit to my beautiful island home. And we can cook authentic Balinese recipes together. And also now we are ready with the online cooking class too. For more information, kindly contact me via my email novibalikitchen@gmail.com. Matur Suksma!